Hey guys, it's Earl and Brian here. Today we're going to take a look at an LS3 Haltech that we did for a customer. So this is using a BMW throttle pedal. It has all the same features as our normal LS3 harnesses, except this one is pinned to a Haltech. So this one has our normal Busman fuse block with your 2 fans, AC, fuel pump, and an ECCS relay. So we're going to be doing these for most of the popular aftermarket ECUs. We're going to do one for Haltech. We're also going to do one for Link. Now the Link one is important because everybody running Pro Spec class is going to be using a Link ECU next year. So we want to support everybody doing cable throttle LS, LS3, LS2, and then also, you know, all our other motors. So SR20s, RBs, JZs. So hopefully you guys will think about it and use us for your Link harnesses for next season. And hopefully this gives you a little bit of an overview. So this is standard construction and on
Oh, this